Spaghetti, one of the world's most beloved dishes. But have you ever wondered where it all started? Did Italy really invent it? Or is there more to the story? Let's unravel the mystery of spaghetti's origins. Many believe spaghetti was born in Italy, but history takes us even further back, to ancient China. According to some accounts, explorer Marco Polo brought noodles from China to Italy in the 13th century. However, pasta-like dishes existed in the Mediterranean long before Polo's journey. The ancient Romans enjoyed a dish called lagana, an early form of pasta, though it wasn't quite the spaghetti we know today. But wheat-based noodles weren't unique to just Rome. Arabs were making string-like pasta called itria around the 9th century and may have introduced it to Sicily. By the 13th century, pasta production flourished in Italy, especially in Sicily and Naples. The Italian climate was perfect for growing durum wheat, which made pasta resilient, delicious, and perfect for long storage. Italians perfected the art of pasta, experimenting with shapes, sizes, and sauces. By the 17th century, spaghetti, thin, long pasta strands, became a staple in Italian cuisine. It was often served with olive oil, cheese, and simple seasonings. Tomatoes hadn't entered the picture just yet. Tomatoes, originally from the Americas, arrived in Europe in the 16th century. At first, people thought they were poisonous, but by the 18th century, Italians began using tomatoes to create rich, flavorful sauces, and spaghetti with tomato sauce was born. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Italian immigrants carried their beloved spaghetti recipes to America and beyond. Soon, spaghetti became a global sensation, with countless variations, from spaghetti carbonara to the beloved spaghetti and meatballs. Today, spaghetti is enjoyed worldwide, whether with rich meat sauces, seafood, or even sweet-style variations in places like the Philippines. So the next time you twirl a forkful of spaghetti, remember, you're tasting centuries of history, culture, and delicious innovation. Buon appetito! If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing food history videos.